Two Trams is a movie about two trams set in Soviet Russia. You may be wondering why not in modern Russia. Well, because I asked who made the movie, who is also Russian, about whether it's set in modern Russia or Soviet Russia. They said Soviet Russia, so let's go with that. And that's one question answered. The movie has two trams, as the title suggests. One is a yellow tram, which is supposed to be a father figure. Another is supposed to represent growing up, and it's a red tram. They go about their daily routine. 3 days, well, 3 in-movie days happen. Each day, they both pick up some people and deliver them off. But each day, the red tram grows up. One, it becomes a tram, and its size grows from like this to this, and the father figure puts a Y on it, a Y letter. Next day, the red tram becomes an adult and has this decal mustache, and the yellow tram becomes an elder and basically gets lost, and then when his son notices he isn't around, he goes to search for him until he finds a screw that magically leads to him. He finds him, he tells him to him, and then they go on the daily routines at the end.